everybody! Today I'm going to show you really quick recipe, quick and fast grilled cheese. Grilled cheese and made with my homemade bread. In my last video, I showed you how to make so easy and delicious homemade bread. And with this bread, I will just make kimchi grilled cheese. Usually grilled cheese means that cheddar cheese. It's like, so red cheddar cheese. If I add this with the kimchi together, too salty. It's like a Korean banchan side dish. I can't swallow easily. That's why I'm using kind of white mozzarella cheese. So mozzarella cheese is not salty and little bit kimchi, chopped kimchi and perfect taste. You'll be surprised. This 2 slices of bread has turned on the heat. Unsalted butter. We need 1 tablespoon. Cut in half. Now pan is hot. Okay, let's put it this. Make some room here and turn down the heat to medium. So when you guys make grilled cheese, what's always the problem? Really easily you guys can burn. So this is just you follow my direction, you are not going to burn it. So toast this for 3 minutes. And I'm going to use kimchi. I think this is enough, this amount, a little bit. Chop it up like this. All we need is a small amount of kimchi because we just make this, this 1 grilled cheese. So this butter and put some butter here. And kimchi. Stir fry like this, really make it hot. 1/2 cup mozzarella, shredded mozzarella cheese. Flip it over. So hot here. And cheese. Then kimchi. So kimchi is also hot. So this cheese is going to be melting. Also bottom should be light brown, see? Really, really hot. And with a hot bread and just put it there. Both sides are really hot, so that's why cheese is melting so quickly. 3 minutes cooking. Like this. Wow, beautiful, nice looking color. And we need butter flavor. Leftover butter, let's add here. Already all this cheese is well melted. Look at this. Gorgeous. Nice. Well done. Let's turn off. So quickly we made a delicious grilled cheese, kimchi grilled cheese, and some green stuff. Yay! Let's taste. Still hot. Look at that. Yay! Who wouldn't like this stringy, chewy cheese? Yummy. If you make this with your homemade bread, homemade kimchi, wow, you own it. You own it. Kimchi grilled cheese, isn't it? Today, we made kimchi grilled cheese. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.